What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be rerouting these downspouts to put the water from a place that he doesn't want it to where he does. So we're going to be using it as pretty much extra sprinklers. Let's get started and I'll show you what's going on. All right, as you can see, we have the downspout here. All the water and everything runs straight down. He has a downspout here, but everything ends up being down here in this low spot. So he has to sit here and put out these big extensions each and every time it rains, and you know what, that's not fun. Nobody likes to do that. You have to worry about it, and especially when you have dogs and stuff like that, you have to worry about them attacking it and moving it and everything else. So what we're going to do is we're going to run this downspout so approximately about 20 feet over to here, so that way when the water pops up, facilitates out, it'll end up just watering all this grass and everything in this area. And then this one over here, we're going to go ahead and take out about 20 feet as well over to somewhere in this general area, so that way when the water builds up and comes out, it's going to facilitate out and go along this way instead of rolling back and being stuck everywhere in here. Eventually they're going to go ahead and have this repavered, get rid of the fireplace, build this all up, and then it'll be a better area, so that way it won't be saturated. So let's get started. All right, and now I have the right side dug out. As you can see, put the side off to the side, so we try to save the grass the best way possible. Pop-up's gonna get here, and what it should do is build up, pop up, facilitate all this area, so it'll help water it and make sure it doesn't die, but it shouldn't be building up any puddles, but it'll be away from the foundation, which is the number one thing. And the fact of over here in this corner, and I got this side dug out. As you can see, it goes all the way over here. We're gonna have to go above the one sprinkler line, but between the other, come out here. And the same thing would be at the end. Little mini dry wells, that way the water can pop up, build up, facilitate out, and come and go all the way on the grass here instead of rolling back towards where he has his low areas with the pavers. Now to pipe it up, and here we go. Everything is completely piped up now. Over here, as you can see, we are downhill to level. We go on the other side, we're between two sprinkler lines there. Everything's still downhill to level. You go to the end, it'll pop up, facilitate over. You see everything's burrito wrapped. So what does not facilitate over, we'll be able to drain easily back into the ground. Over here on the other side, we have it dug out as well. Even managed to save the grass. Got the burrito wrap as well, because that is the right way to do it. Everything over here, extremely downhill to level, and it's the same all the way here for the end. Downhill to level, everything's gonna come down here, drain into the ground. When it's done draining in the ground, build up, facilitate out, and go over. Now to backfill and show you how it works. All right, and here we go. Now we are testing how the system works, but the water and where the clean out is, it's all gonna go. It's gonna come down in here, start building up, and then it's gonna overflow out. As you can see, it being a little mini dry well, here comes the water now. It's going in, but it's all gonna have to fill up. So we'll continue when it gets filled up. And here we go. This is what it's gonna do. It's gonna build up, come out, end up overfilling everything over here, so that way the water is no longer going back over here. Now to do the other side. And here we go. Here's the other side of the house. We already got that side done. Water's going in, as you can see. It's building up, it's draining into the ground at the same time. Mini dry well. Now the time to just wait for it to pop up. And here we go. This is how it's going to look like in the end. You put the hose over there in the clean out, and it also dual purpose over here, makes it so it can water the yard, and you no longer have the threat of water going back into the basement. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.